Finally catch you. Squaddy, come take out the cup to my fireman. No, me know you probably wonder why you're there. Well, you've been a prayer. And we have to launch an undercover investigation to find out why you so popular. Why everybody a killer of themselves over you. First of all, brother, you're ugly, you know, brother. No, me never believe that we will get caught in your syndicate, in your web, a deception, until me go undercover and then me start ask myself certain questions. But me have a couple questions I want to ask you. Why you win over so much people? How you do it? Oh, you not answer. You not answer. Squaddy, pass him docket. You were received on October 25th. Is that wrong or right? Me ask you a question. You were received on October 25th. Me wrong or me right?
Yes.
But what kind of advice that? Brother, me not expect advice from you. From a man ugly and big like you. Where were you between the hours of 6 p.m. and 9 p.m. on the same day?
Tell you, brother, between 6 and 9. I don't remember which part I did there.
Don't ramp with me, you know. Don't ramp with me.
Alright.
Where were you between the hours of 6 p.m. and 9 p.m. on October 25th?
We did there. On your foot.
On my foot. On me foot. Where were you on October 26, 2022?
We did there. On your foot.
On my foot. On my foot. For how long?
The whole day.
Whole day. Where were you on October 27th?
October 27th.
Nobody answer. On my foot.
I'm a liar.
For the one day. October 28th. On my foot. Then on October 29th. On my foot. The whole entire day. Big Sunday. Me a side eye you. To see if nothing in my closet can fit for wear. So me have a question to ask you. After you tell me.
No, do you not nobody know, brother? We are talking about.
After you tell people are obey your work.
I know my fault make you not want to take me off of your foot, brother.
What you do to people? Make them want wear go everywhere. Why you so comfortable?
Me not do nobody nothing. I mean they do I live, brother. Me not do nobody.
So you feel like say can just go around man foot?
Make me comfortable.
Squaddy.
Me not do nobody.
Who must say we have put you in a jail
What you mean?
for 1.5 weeks. No feet. Until we get to the lower end. Don't bother ball. Don't ball. Don't ball.